Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to quickly and easily make arrows in Green Hell. This is going to be especially useful for using the bow and hunting some animals like birds and many other things. So to begin, first of all, we'll need to go to the forest and find some feathers on the ground, which can be really common to find. Just look at the ground somewhere and make sure you don't miss them. Go ahead and take them. And once you do, nextly we'll need to find some sticks, which can also be located on the ground, and these small sticks are going to be what we need. If you don't find small sticks but find long sticks, you can just salvage them by right clicking the mouse button and selecting the harvest option. You're going to give you some sticks, and once you go to your backpack, go to the rope section, and if you don't still have the small sticks but only sticks, you can once again go ahead and hold down the right mouse button and select harvest again. This is going to make you 2 small sticks from 1 stick. And to craft the arrows, you want to place a small stick onto the rock, and nextly inside of the leaves and rocks menu of your backpack, of your inventory, you want to go ahead and place 2 feathers on the crafting rock. And as you can see, here is going to be a plus icon, which is going to allow you to craft more than 1 arrow without the need of placing 4 and 6 and so on feathers on the rock. So just go ahead and craft the arrows, and now you can use them. So this is pretty much all. How to get it. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.